Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Shane has asked for another air fry video, so here we go. Tonight we're going to be making Nando's chicken. I've got some of this Nando's Peri Peri Coat and Cook. You see that? And we're going to be serving it up with some Peri Peri microwave rice. So let's get started. So it says here we need to coat 4 chicken breasts for about 15 minutes. So here we go. We've got our chicken breasts here. We're going to be put them in this glass oven-proof dish. We're going to be pouring over the Peri Peri Coat and Cook sauce. We're going to cover them in some cling film, leave them for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to be sticking them in the Ninja air fryer there. So let's get these little babies in the dish. There we go. I hope we can get all 4 in there. If not, I'll only put 3 in. This was the only glass oven-proof dish that I could find that would fit into my air fryer. So there we go. We're going to put 3 in. Okay, so now we're going to put in the Peri Peri Coat and Cook sauce. Just going to rip this thing open and just pour all of that in there, like so. Get it all out. I've gone for the medium strength spice. I'm just going to use a spoon to make sure that it's all coated in this lovely Peri Peri sauce. There we go. Smells good already. Now then. And then what we're going to do now is just cover it in some cling film. I'm going to let that coat for about 20 minutes, I think. Here we go. And that should give it enough time for all those juices to soak into the meat. So it's about 20 minutes later. We've got the meat there soaked nicely. I will give it another stir before we put it into the air fryer, but we're going to get the air fryer turned on and get it preheated. So we're going to go air fry mode. We're going to go down to 180 degrees. And the time we're going to be putting it on for is 30 minutes. Let's get that preheated. We're using the Ninja grill air fryer today. It's quite a good little machine. Got a grill setting, air fryer, dehydrate, roast and bake. I'll just show you inside quickly. There we go. We've got a tray within a tray. Let's get that preheated. And there we go. While that's preheating, we're just going to give the chicken another stir. It's quite a big chicken breast, that one there. It really does smell amazing. We'll just coat a bit of that sauce all over the chicken breasts. There we go. Lovely. And there we go, the add food has come on, so we're going to open up the air fryer and we're basically just going to put the glass dish in the centre of the tray. I didn't want to go for a bigger dish because it's going to be quite hard to get that out when it's really, really hot after it's cooked. So there it is in there. Close the lid and the 30-minute timer has started. So we're going to give it another stir in about 15 minutes, halfway through the cooking cycle. So I'll see you then. And here we are, coming up to the halfway mark. We're going to open up the lid in a moment, give those chicken breasts a bit of a stir, and then we're going to be finishing off the cooking cycle for the last 15 minutes, and hopefully we'll have a lovely tasty meal. Let's get the lid open. Oh wow. Let's get our spoon. It's bubbling away. Looking good. Chicken's not cooked yet. You can see, I'm not sure you can see that, but the chicken, no, not quite cooked yet. Oh, but that looks so good. Turn that one over as well. Let's get a bit more of that juice. Put it over some of the chicken breasts. So we're going to close the lid for the last 15 minutes. Let's go. While that's cooking, guys, can I just ask a favour of you? If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, it really does help the channel out. And it's free to do, doesn't cost you a penny, but it really does help me out. And if you really do like the video, hit that thumbs up button, that'd be amazing. Any comments down below if you want any other recipes in the air fryer or soup maker or whatever. Put the comments down below and I'll do my best to do those for you. And if you're feeling really generous, why not hit the super thanks button as well? Send me a little tip. That will help support the channel and I can carry on making these videos for you guys. Right, let's get on with the cooking. Well guys, we're coming up to the end of the cooking cycle. The smell is absolutely amazing of the peri-peri sauce. There we go, that's ended. Let's turn off the air fryer, open up and see what's waiting for us. Wow, look at that, that looks amazing. What I will do now is take one of the breasts out and cut it in half just to make sure it's cooked through. I'll take the biggest one and what I'll do is I'll grab this big one here. There we go. All that sauce bubbling away. And what I'll do for you guys to see is I'm just going to cut this in half and let's see if it's cooked all the way through. Yep, you can see that. Absolutely amazing. Well, let's get this plated up and I'll give you my thoughts. And here we go, guys. I've plated up the chicken. We've got the peri-peri rice, the microwave rice, very easy to do, 2 minutes in the microwave. Wow, and look at this. I poured some of the sauce that was still in the glass dish over the chicken as well. And we're just gonna have a quick look. Look at that, cooked beautifully. It's gonna go so well with the peri-peri rice. So let's give it a taste. Absolutely amazing. There's a little bit of a kick to it. It's a medium strength spice. There's just enough to give a bit of heat. And a bit of the rice as well. Let's give this a go. Absolutely amazing. Again, guys, if you like the video, please hit that like button. Leave any comments down below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. It's free to do. Really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.